main scale's open again. Woohoo! Alright. The lake. Let's go dump our junk. Stuff tied up against the bed, or the tailgate, so make them. That joker was heavy. Let's see if we can get this open. Over there to the back, get it out, come might not have as big a load as I thought. Brass. Yeah, I got a bunch more plugs in here. Hell, not much of a load. Very cool. 28 beans. 25, 6, 7, 8, 28 beans.
How we doing?
Tired.
All right. I brought the big guns in. That's my son, David.
All right. I'm just, the only concern I have is this shroud.
You want me to take it off?
Too long. Well, no, if it'll fit in there that way, we'll leave it that way. But
I could probably take it off real quick.
yeah,
Let's take it off.
Okay. That's fine.
We're in the process of cleaning out the basement, so.
All right. Is it going to be smaller stuff than this?
Yeah, probably.
Well, you have my card if you want.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to set something out, I'll pick it up Monday.
I talked to my wife about something.
Yeah, it's just, when I came here to get that last Monday, it had rained the night before, and...
Oh no, that's my fault. I should have...
No, it's not your fault. Normally I can...
Do you just take metal, or do you take other stuff?
Electronics.
Yeah?
Like microwaves or DVD players.
But no TVs, right?
No TVs, yeah. Flat screens, CRTs, no.
Okay. I'm just curious why. Not that we have any, but...
Flat screens, scrapyard won't take, and the CRTs are illegal to dump.
Are they really?
Yeah,
Oh, all right.
because guys used to get them and take the yokes out of them, the copper
Okay.
yoke and
Right.
the gauze cable and for the copper.
Yeah, right.
And then now they just throw them in the alleys.
This still works. Maybe you can sell this on eBay or something.
Actually,
That's the blower motor.
yeah, actually, there's copper in there. I'll take this off and scrap it out.
Should I take this off too?
No. I got tools. I just don't have them with me. Yeah.
My thought is you just tip it on your bed and then slide it in.
Yeah, but let's turn it.
Okay.
We'll have to take it off the... Yeah, my viewers give me crap. Why don't you have bungee or ratchet straps? I said, because bungee cords are easier. Much easier. No, I know. I was just turning it so this faces up going in.
All right.
How are we gonna do this then?
My thought is we can bring it back a little bit this way, and then we tip it and slide it in.
Yep.
And David and I can grab this bottom.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Ready? Yep. Bam. You're awesome.
Thank you.
I'll call you
you're
again
awesome.
sometime soon.
Guys, thank you so much.
Yep.
Thank you.
That is a gift.
Yeah, we needed that.
Yeah, all of this, all the scrap money I make between now and end of this month is for the wife and the kids to get Christmas gifts.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
So,
We'll have some more.
all right.
I'll give you a call.
All right. Thank
Might
you
be a
so
week or
much.
so.
Yep, that's cool.
All right. Have a good one.
You
Thank you.
too. Thank you. How about that, folks? Look at that. That is a beastie. And gee, I didn't have to do anything except open the tailgate and run off at the mouth. All right, I'm headed back home. Next up in the video will be me running the streets tomorrow morning. See you then. Is this metal or plastic? Plastic. So we're gonna start out with same thing we did yesterday morning. Cord. Of course they have it wrapped around. The hose. Come on. There we go. So we're starting out with just the water heater today. That is the one that I could not pick up last Monday. I went yesterday, you saw in the last segment. The gent and his son loaded it up for me. I appreciate that so much. So much. That thing is a beast. I had to bungee that down with 3 bungee cords. And come on, baby. You're buried, aren't you? There's glass right there too. Do it that way. Could probably get more out of this. I was about to go. Let's see. I don't think that's going anywhere. Yep, the rest of this is just plastic. Coming down the road. Come on. Lighthouses here. I can get these out easy without. Oh, get in. Okay, that light came out easy. This one did too. Get behind. Come on. We'll get this one, put it in the truck, take the lights out and bring them back. Take your time, you don't want these popping on you. Just get it, there you go, look at that. Lean that, get this, take it back. There we go. Put it in here. There we go. Still nothing behind it. Good. Good. Not really worth it on a narrow road, but I'm already here and the traffic is clear. I'll take it. Vacuum cleaner cord, I saw something in the back of here. Already empty, and then there's a big pile over here. Let's get this in the bag and we'll get that cord and then we'll go check that pile. It's like a bunch of furniture. See these vacuum cleaners, folks? These are not ones that people want to grab and repair. I mean, oh brother, this is a mess. This thing doesn't weigh but like 4 pounds. It's all mainly plastic. What do we got over here? Well, we got a big screen TV. A CRT TV. A lot of little wood pieces. And again, furniture. I saw that coming from that way and I thought, hey, maybe bed frames. Old shirts, no thanks. I have my own old shirts. All right, well, according to a piece of steel, not too bad. Could be worse. I could have found nothing. Just gonna cut the cord. Except look at that. Okay, come on. What's the problem here? Don't need that. That blade, or that motor is ready to be processed. It's gonna right up front. Huh? How about that? It's pretty nice. Some cord. There's some. Alright, I'm gonna get that, take it over and come back. I don't see anything in there, but I check these two, then I go over there, then over there, and then over there. But there's some metal right here. Could very well be extruded, ouch, extruded aluminum. That's aluminum, folks. That is aluminum. Yeah, we'll get something around that when I get done with the other dumpsters. I see a fan cover. See if there's a fan in here. Oh, I think I see a cord. Yeah. Dust and all. See if there's anything else in there. No, just a bunch of cans. Not interested in cans. Well, again, I'll run this out to the truck. Now, I'm supposed to be getting some, I don't know if it'll be tonight, but I'm supposed to be getting, some copper aluminum radiators from one of the maintenance guys at work. So, but I don't know if it'll be tonight. It's going to be tonight, tomorrow night, or Tuesday at 1 or 3. He didn't say how many, he just said he has them. He was going to keep them and do things with them, but he said it's not worth it. He doesn't have that kind of time anymore. So, perfect shot. Oh, another fan. And some barky stuff. And there's some metal right there. Take that too. 2 fans, 1 day. This one's got no handle. That is A-okay. Can't feel anything without the gloves. Or with the gloves, I mean. Ooh, doo, doo. Doo, 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 doo. Just hang there a second, brother. Brother. Yeah. I don't want the flat screen, but I'll take the cord. If I can get it. That's great. Perfect. Well, you slick joker. Just need enough of it to get it up here. There we go. Now, please be the unplugging kind. Are you? Nope. Good. Come on, clippers. don't want that. But I want that. That's mine. On my way to work, I'm not passing this up. One thing, except this is not hooked up. Gotta get this in one hand, and there's a bunch of traffic coming. I'm on my way to work, folks. No more dangerous to do at night than it is right now. Stay right there. Heavy steel. Oh, but, yep. I remember last week when I came through and that stuff I told you about was sitting out. That was not a good spot or a good way to do that. My neighbor James, again, more heavy auto parts. Let's get these out of here. So maybe, sort of lay down. It's heavy enough, I don't think it's going anywhere. Morning. All in one shot. Come on. Hook on the bag. My hand is not. There we go. No traffic.
So you'll take a hot water heater, huh?
Oh yeah. Yep.
That's still good, but.
Yep. You too, thank you. So I showed you the parts my neighbor James gave me. This is what I picked up, or not picked up, was given by one of the maintenance guys I told you about. He said it's a copper aluminum radiator. He said this is all copper. That, not this, but this and this down here are all copper. This is steel because I took a magnet to it, but this stuff is not. So it's a little cut job. Oh, come on, baby. But we're gonna pick them up with Ken today, and then of course you saw that I picked up this last night in the last segment, those two pieces. Let's keep looking. I don't know if I've got room for it. Could be tough to fit. Gee, where do I put this? Right there. It'll be fast. Very fast. Yeah, geez. Isn't it really worth stopping for? I'll take that too. What the heck? Part of here. There's a cord right there. So I'm in my hometown area right now. Hey, get in there. It's the very first street and I'm already finding junk. It's a good sign. I'm just gonna take what I can get off of here and call it good right there. I don't want to dig around down in there at all. You never know what's in there. I know what I don't want to find in there. Small truck, old man, issues. I'll take the, whoa, I'll take this part of it. I can't take the other. I'll take that part too. That's it. Fit the rest of it. It's just too big. Do that. Probably get somebody coming out. Well, why would you take it all? I can't fit it all. Can't fit it all. pretty handy. I might hang on to this. Tell you why. Other grills, other grills get the stuff out easy, slip it down there and get it. It's a good tool. I hope that's metal. Otherwise I stop for nothing. Yeah, it's a bit of metal. Wow. You keep it in there, will you? Sure. All right. Let's keep going. We'll get us a bucket over here with some goodies in it. Scrap metal. Wire free. Don't take can. Will not. Okay. I'll take what's in here. Oh. Yeah, this is no doubt aluminum. So I'm going to be, before I go to the scrap yard, I'm going to be stopping at the, I don't think I can get that up. Maybe I can. So this will lay down in there, stay there. I'm going to go to the scrap yard today, but oh, it's all metal, it's all steel. That is not, of course, I'll bet you that's aluminum as well. Why don't we just, well, right there. Yeah, I'm gonna be dropping some stuff off at the garage before I go to the yard. Get in there. Is that it? That's it. Okay. Sign says, do not take barrel. Thank you, folks. There might be a bit of light metal here. Yeah. Yeah, all in one shot. There's not that much of it. But it all adds up, right? Equal. All adds up. This up, there you go. That stuff's not this stuff, but hey, it's money. Cord on this vacuum. See if I can get it off of there. I don't see why I can't. Cool. Oh, what a tangled mess we have here. Okay. So we're here. Got back down in there. Well, it's close to where it was. There we go. Yep, got a vehicle coming. Oh, turned. Cord. I might be fooling myself. I thought this might be metal. Looks like it's going to be plastic. Yep. Bit of coating. Hey, there's a cord. To what? Printer cord? That's what it looks like, a printer. Well, I don't have my cutters with me. Let's go get the cutters. I don't take a cord. Yeah, we'll just take what we can get here and call it good. It's worth, I mean, not much, but cords add up. I found quite a few cords in this video. series anyways, right? This is likely to be our last pick. So I only got this little section of street to do. Plastic. But we will take the ironing board. For sure. Don't you open it by now. Where's the little... Come on. Where are you at? Right here? There you go. Yeah, I'll just leave the cover on it. Is that asparagus? I don't know what that is. Wait a minute. Okay, for a second I thought that might have been pots. Some steel pots or aluminum pots or something, but nope. Okay, so... find a way to bungee that down. All of this stuff, maybe a little bit. What if we go through there like that, and then around it again. Don't you break on me, you little joker. Is it gonna reach? Probably not. It's not gonna reach there, but it will reach there. I think that's gonna hold just fine. I gotta get this brass nugget off of here. That's coming off. This is staying at the garage. That piece I chucked in here, this one. Pretty sure this is aluminum. This is going out at the garage. Yep. Cast. That's gonna go out at the garage. Anything else going out at the garage? I don't think so. Let's get that cord. Well, folks, that's gonna do it for this video. That's gonna do it. Hope you had a good time. This is spread out over quite a few days. Thank you again to my neighbor James for the heavy carb parts. Oh, man. No, don't hide, don't. And thank you too to the gent and his son that put the water heater in. And thank you to all the residents who had scrap setting out for me to grab. Very cool. My love to everybody. Each and every one of you. Adjust the camera a little bit. Bring it up some. I'm liking this clip on the cap. It's better than the head strap. Alright folks, once again thank you for coming along. Let me see if there's anything just underneath the lid. Yeah, bag and another bag. There's one more up here yet that I can check just for my edification, because the street I'm about to turn onto, there is nothing there. The street I'm about to turn onto, here's the one I came in on, and then I went that way. So, alright folks, as always, everyone have a wonderful, wonderful day.